Isn't technology wonderful? We sometimes lose that perspective in this industry of ours. That can happen when you spend every day working with equipment that was unimaginable just a generation or two ago. Take this part, for example. Can you believe this was made on a single machine in a single setup, holding tolerances as low as 3/10,000ths of an inch in just 2 minutes? Look at the geometry of it. A few short decades ago, engineers wouldn't have bothered to design a part with these specifications, as there was clearly no way to make it. But here we are, next to an Index G220, redefining what's possible and unshackling the imaginations of designers a world over. Speaking of imagination, let's take a quick trip. Close your eyes and envision yourself in that paragon of the early automobile, a Model T. No, hold on. Imagine yourself driving a Model T. Much better. You know, they made over 16 million of these. It took half a century for another car to hit that number. In its day, it was the epitome of convenience. Now, depending on how your stomach is handling this experience, your response probably falls somewhere between nostalgic amusement and nausea. Coincidentally, if you've got a shop full of outdated equipment, those are the same emotions visitors feel when they see how you're running things. Come on back. Let's check out some more tech. Frequently, extremely important advancements hide out of plain sight. Exhibit A, the Index C200. Notice we've removed the covers to give you a behind-the-scenes look at what makes it so special. See how fast it's moving. Other machines can't come close without introducing a whole lot of instability and vibration. The credit goes to our single slide system, a unique slideway that offers 2 degrees of freedom in one plane. The resulting high stability lets you go a lot faster than you're used to, boosting your productivity and throughput. Speed has become a vital component of so much of our world. Shall we take another field trip? Close your eyes and picture a high-performance sports car. Nice choice, both for the car and the scenery. There's something highly satisfying about speed. It speaks to us on an instinctual level, whether we're flying down a highway far faster than nature intended, or discovering a way to complete a process in less time than anyone thought was possible. It just feels good to be fast. I know you'd like to keep cruising for a bit, but I've got one last thing to show you. This is the Index MS-22-8. Now, in the metal cutting world, few processes get faster than this. 8 spindles, each independently driven and serviced by 2 tool holders. 2 synchronous spindles for back work. Truly a symphony of efficiency and precision. Applied to the right type of parts, this technology can transform a shop's profitability. That is, parts like these. Parts that are relatively small and have a little complexity to them. Parts that are run in lots of at least 5,000. Parts that have been inefficiently run on Swiss-type machines under the mistaken assumption that Swiss is good for anything small. If you're running parts like these on anything other than a multi-spindle, you owe yourself a conversation with Index. All right, we're at the end. What do you say we close it out with one more drive? Beautiful, isn't it? Again, both the car and the scenery. I hope you enjoyed our time together. And if you're not already working with Index to optimize your production, let's have a follow-up discussion on how we can help you make better parts faster.